everybody, this is my dad's Honda Quadra Cut System Harmony 2 HRR 216. And I love Honda engines, America 4-cycle, 2-cycle, whatever. But this engine has been stored all winter with fuel stabilizer in here, in the gas tank. And the whole purpose of this video is to do a cold start of it. It hasn't been ran all year, so we're going to see how it fires up. Put the bell bar down.